What is happening, guys, and welcome back to HitPaw's official YouTube channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best meme generator, and that is HitPaw's Toolkit. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own memes, because HitPaw Toolkit will allow you to generate templates, and it allows for making memes so much easier. So if you don't have HitPaw Toolkit already, if you go down the links in the description, you download it there, then you can follow me on the way. I'll give you 5. Sorted? Once you have installed HitPaw Toolkit on your computer, you will notice this icon on the desktop up here in the corner. If you double click it, and then you get this bit, which is HitPaw Toolkit's main page. So if you go over to the icon here with the little smiley face, this is the meme generator. So give that a click. And here you will find 8 already made templates that HitPaw Toolkit has already generated to make your life making memes a lot easier. So all you have to do is choose one of the memes you like. So I will click the top left one. Then all you need to do is either add or drop images into the center of this file. So if I go choose file, and then just choose the image that you want to use. So over to the right hand side, you can see you have the ability to rotate or even mirror this image. Just like this, and like that, depending on your preference. You can even zoom in and zoom out the wheel on your mouse, or even just the bar on the side of the corner here to allow you to get into the position where you want it to be. I think that looks good enough. And then over in the top right hand corner, there's a box here that says add text. Just click on that. You can add any text that you want onto your meme. Plus, some of them already come in placed with text on the bottom and top here, so you can always just edit them as well, simply like this. As you can see, there's a lot of features when it comes to the text icon. You can change the font, the size, and even the colors of the text. And then you can either decide whether you want it on the left, on the right, or in the center. So the good thing about when you add in text here, HitPaw Toolkit does give you a lot of offers of when it comes to changing the text outline. You can change the font, the size, you've got the outline, shadow, and even the background. So I'm quickly going to finish this one up, and then we're going to just export it. And there we go. I finished my meme there, and as we say, hello HitPawers. This is the best video editor for beginners. Then from here, all you need to do is click on export and then place the meme anywhere you need it. Click on save, and then as soon as it is finished, click on OK, and there we have it. We have fully done our meme, and that took me no time at all. Hello HitPawers, best video editor for beginners. Now your memes are all done and ready. You can now go send them over to your social media, different types of platforms, send them to your friends and family, and they're all ready by using HitPaw's Toolkit. And as always, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our further videos, tutorials, promotions, and even software updates. And I'll catch you on the next one.